First Alert Weather is brought to you by the Medical Center.
It was a great weekend for all the outdoor events. Yesterday, we did notice a few little isolated showers that popped up here and there, but not everybody got rained on. And this morning on First Alert Live Doppler radar, we're seeing a cluster of showers, even a few thunderstorms just outside of the metro Nashville area. Those are moving off to the east across I-65, 24, 40. Even 440, 840 if you're traveling out that way, say toward the Lebanon area, maybe Gallatin, Hendersonville, maybe getting a shower here shortly. But nothing really going on here in southern Kentucky. Pretty quiet. We did have a couple of little isolated showers that popped up earlier. Butler County, Logan, Todd counties, all that has now since dissipated. 70 degrees currently in Bowling Green. We still have issues in the pollen count. In fact, still very high readings in the ragweed and elm pollen that is showing up today. Ozone and molds are both moderate. And the UV index, of course, today will be in the high category thanks to all the sunshine, even though we are seeing a few clouds. Temperatures starting in the upper 60s this morning to the north. Calhoun at 67. About the coolest temperature we're seeing this morning, 69 down in Albany, and you see 70s elsewhere. And we do see a partly to mostly cloudy start over the city of Bowling Green this morning via live, our Doppler cam, courtesy of AAA systems. And there may be even a little patchy fog in a few cases. 70 degrees. Current temperature with a calm wind, humidity 98%, and the barometer rising. Here's a look at Franklin this morning, mainly cloudy. In Simpson County, 71 degrees your temperature. Munfordville, you're mainly clear, but you see some clouds off in the distance. Your temperature at 70 degrees, and the Bowling Green Airport is mostly cloudy this morning. Your temperature is at 71. Regionally, 71, as I mentioned, at the airport. Cooler 50s, 60s, even a few 40s off to the northeast. While it's near 80 degrees this hour, St. Louis at 78. So is Memphis, Tennessee, with that muggy air in play. We're 3 degrees warmer than we were yesterday at this hour. Radar shows little specks of isolated showers that popped up here yesterday afternoon. A few of you got some raindrops on your windshield, while others didn't get a drop of rain at all. This morning, the main activity is right here over West Tennessee and parts of western Kentucky. And that's with just a little disturbance that's moving across the area. There are no real cold fronts moving through any time, even though high pressure is out east of us. We have a lot of cloud cover. Just enough instability here that later today, I think we could see an isolated shower or two as put up here on the Futurecast models. We do have a front that's off to the north and west of us that will be a game changer once we get on in to the latter part of the week, which I'll tell you about in just a minute. But we do have a new tropical storm to tell you about way out in the Atlantic. The Atlantic, for the most part, has been pretty quiet for this tropical season, but we're right at the peak of the season. So we now have Tropical Storm Umberto, and it's way out in the Cape Verde Islands, and it is making a turn off to the north over the course of time. And this could, at least the forecast here, could become the very first hurricane of the Atlantic season, a very late start. As you know, we've had 7 tropical storms, make it 8 now, and that would be the first real hurricane if it does indeed do that. Warm and humid for today. Chance of an isolated shower thunderstorm later around 90. Partly cloudy, muggy tonight, 72. Tomorrow we'll make it back to 91 with that slight chance of a shower late in the day. 30% chance Wednesday, 40% chance on Thursday at 86. That's when a cold front is going to move through the area. That is really going to change things for the upcoming weekend. A very nice, cooler, less humid weekend ahead for us. Great conditions on Friday at 79. Perfect day for the Down Syndrome Buddy Walk on Saturday. And for the Dream Home Giveaway this Sunday, we'll see a high of only 80 degrees.